Let us suppose you're tracking a file in your Git that you don't want to be tracked because you added it to the Git ignore too late. How do we actually fix that? It's a question that came up in a Discord, and I want to address it shortly. So let's set that up. Just gonna create a empty Git. Let's create a file. It's now in the Git repo. Let's add it to the Git. And commit this. I committed already. Right. So the file's already tracked. So if we create a git ignore now, and add the file to the git ignore. Get it? So the issue is that the evil file is already being tracked. So let's suppose that we actually change this file. And if we git add this and then git commit, whatever. Then we see it actually detected the file change here. And that is not what we want. It shouldn't be tracked anymore. So how do we fix this? Well, one simple way is to just remove the file. Let's add this. And then we can add it back. And you can see it's didn't add it back because nothing to commit. It's not tracking this file anymore because we deleted it from the Git. Now, this won't help if you have secrets in here. Let's say there's a password in here. It'll still be in your Git tree. You'll need to do some more involved things to remove that. Better just change the password for whatever it is for and forget this ever happened and don't mention it to anyone. Well, no, you should mention it to the relevant people, but just it shouldn't happen in the first place in general. Yeah, that's it.